IE's advanced anti-lag launch control with rolling anti-lag is available for all Mark 7 GTI, GLI, Golf R, Audi 8B, S3, and A3 2OT engines. This advanced launch control programming uses a safe and stable fuel cut strategy to build turbo boost while staging, delivering an aggressive boosted launch that will greatly improve your 0 to 60, 60-foot, and overall acceleration times. Additionally, this feature can be used as a rolling anti-lag to build instant boost at a set speed for a wicked rolling launch. By taking off and boost without lag, you have the major edge in a roll racing scenario. And depending on the turbo size, launch RPM, and ambient conditions, anti-lag can build anywhere from 10 to 20 psi. We have made it easy to use by programming anti-lag into the factory cruise control buttons. On a Mark 7, Golf R, GTI, or GLI, you're going to want to make sure cruise control is turned off, and then just use the set button on the steering wheel to activate anti-lag. The process of engaging this anti-lag in an Audi A3 or S3 is exactly the same, except for there's no cruise control button on the steering wheel, so instead we're going to use the cruise control stalk. You simply have to push the cruise control stalk half forward to the first stop. If you go all the way to cancel, it will not work, so it's just the first stop. This might take a little bit of practice, but you'll be a master in no time. Now that you know how to engage anti-lag, there are some best practices to make sure you get optimum performance. To launch from a stop, the car has to be in sport mode. Traction control turned all the way off. And with your left foot on the brake, bring the revs up to your desired launch RPM and hold the set button. Whenever you're ready, just let off for a hard launch. For a rolling launch, you're going to need to be in manual mode. For best results, you're going to want to do this between 40 to 60 miles an hour and above 4,000 RPM. When you're at your desired speed and RPM, just hold the set button and go full throttle. This is going to hold RPM and speed, and whenever you're ready for a boosted launch, just let off. To make this a little easier, we have recalibrated the factory digital boost readout to display the true gauge pressure on all VW Mark 7.5s with the MMI boost gauge. IE calibrators have included many safeguard functions to provide optimal safety before you can use anti-lag. The engine must be at operating temperatures with the oil at 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. DSG owners, you will need to be on the most up-to-date IE transmission tune and flash the file labeled raw launch. That's RAL launch. And for manual owners, we recommend a really good clutch. These launch strategies are an advanced motorsport feature that will require a bit of practice to perfect and should be enjoyed responsibly. Don't rush it. Our programming is so safe, there's no need for a timer, so you can take your time learning the functions and become an anti-lag master. Anti-lag launch control is now included on all tune stages and TrueFlex files for GTI, GLI, Golf R, A3, and S3. With a little practice, using these features will become second nature, and you'll enjoy a serious competitive edge.